Hey guys, we're just putting this at the start of the video because we want to announce our winner.
Yay!
Now, we should be able to put it like a wee square box down here with a random name generator. Hopefully the winner should be up about now. So, congratulations to whoever won, and we'll contact... I know, it's terrible. Sorry, we're basically just going to shoot it separately, so whoever's won, congratulations. We'll reach out to you, or you can reach out to us in like a DM or something. Excuse me, and we'll get your address and that, and then we'll get the prize sent off to you. So well done to whoever wins.
Thanks for entering.
And thanks for entering to everybody else. It's been great, like we said, we've had a great year. Now, the video you're about to see is of Kelvingrove, ElfinGrove, and we really enjoyed it, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
It was good. Hold on a wee second, can you see Natalie's hat? What's that all about? That's crazy.
I'm a Christmas wizard.
Are you? So yeah, ElfinGrove, we thoroughly enjoyed it. It was really good. Worth the money. It was only £12 or something. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's not hundreds to do, to be honest. Like, it's basically just a museum with cool lights, a couple of wee hidden things that you'll see in the video obviously as well. But we enjoyed it. We thought it was good.
I love museums and I love discos, and this was both.
I
wish every museum had a disco in it.
Aye, it was really good. So we think you should check it out. We went to the first night, didn't we?
Yeah.
So it wasn't too busy. We went about 9:30. We would say we probably got a quiet time, I would say. There was still quite a lot of kids and stuff running about and stuff, but that was okay. But yeah, we thoroughly enjoyed it. We hope you like the video you're just about to watch, and if you do, please give us a like and a subscribe because it really helps. And again, thanks very much guys for entering the competition. Evening guys, we've come to Glasgow's Kelvingrove Art Galleries to go to ElfinGrove. How cool is that? We'll see if you can get the building in the background. Looks pretty cool. How amazing is that? We're just about to head in and see it. It's quite busy out here, so we'll just get inside. We're just heading round the back to get in the queue, and how amazing is the actual building. Check that out. So cool. And then this bit here, we've not got tickets for it, but that there is a silent disco. We didn't want to go to that because we're not really into dancing and all that stuff. Well, Natalie is, but I think it's more a kiddies thing. This is just a wee overview of all the food in the bar and that. So, as I said, we're just about to head round the back. Thankfully get inside, because as you can hear it's windy and it's a wee bit wet tonight.
Scotland.
This is us just about to go into the queue. The back of the building's pretty cool as well. I've got some Christmas trees and that down here. So that's us just in after the queue, and I've got a wee bit here asking if you've been naughty or nice. The nice side is all green and the naughty side is all red, and we're going to just head into the naughty side. We've also got a bit here saying ElfinGrove, just through the trees here where we look. And the building's absolutely amazing looking. And we've been naughty, so this is us going in the naughty side. Oh, hear the wee guys talking.
The little elves.
Just look back at the start, they've got all the fake snow and all that. Everyone's got a wee monkey here. How cool does this look? We're into Santa's global mission control in here. How cool is that? This big tube here just at the start is where you post your letters to Santa. Now, if you've not got any, you can get them in here and then you can post them away. And we're just about to head in. No, follow the big arrow.
We just had an elfin face to talk.
First room we come into, it's got a big shark in it.
Yeah.
It's pretty ominous, this room, isn't it? Nice and dark and creepy feeling with the swishing of the sea. Keep your eyes peeled in case you see something.
Oh, look at the reindeer, it's got a hat on.
Oh, it's cool. See the reindeer with a hat on, guys? Look at this cool light show in room 2, which is the environmental room. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Sounds as if there's like bees or something going about. There's a dolphin up there. So just headed into the Robertson's Trust Gallery. It's got the polar bears that we seen the other day there. Let's get some deer there as well, who we seen as well from the deer centre. That video will actually be going up in a week's time or so. Then we've got this big moose. We're actually on the wrong side of it, but can you see his red nose? I think he's actually an elk. Underneath the raptor here at the back, there's some crackers. Just wanted to give you another wee angle of this. How cool is that? And up here on the wall we've got some crazy names. We've got one called Roaster, Gallus, Yaldi, Wien, Walloper, Gadansa, Riggy and Wido. Oh, I don't get Chancellor there. That is cool. How amazing is a Spitfire? That is so cool. Got a wee show on it. How cool is that, guys? Let's see if we can show you the front. Looks like the engine is out there. Just get some camels on it. That's amazing, isn't it? We're actually going to go upstairs and see if we get a wee better view of it for you. Giraffe's got his wee socks on. He's been dancing in them. Let's see, they changed colour. I'm pretty sure they changed colour a wee minute ago.
I think it's a projection.
Oh, right, okay. How amazing is that? Look at that. It's like an ice age. Oh, look at that. Sprouts on the ceiling. Look at that. That's so cool. They're amazing. The angry ones, happy happy ones and sad ones. Then we'll get mad fart sounds as well. Look at this big monster guy, he's like the king.
Night out.
Welcome to the Christmas night out. It's in all the armoury and all that. I've got a wee guy here as well in his dress, all ready to go on his night out. Hey, he's got a cone on his head. That's brilliant, isn't it? Oh, so they have. Look at this guy in his tinsel and that. These guys are cool. Look at this guy here just trying to fight nobody. Look at this cool cat. What is he doing? Oh, look at this. This is trippy feeling, isn't it? Makes you feel as if you're like underwater or something. You get a wee bit cooler in here, or is it just me?
Yeah.
This is cool. Maybe it's supposed to be like a snowstorm or something. You see it all on the walls there as well. I like this. I think that's where we're going. Look at that, we're just walking through the North Pole now. So the next bit is just to follow these pop-ins right round. Here's some of the rules. Do not pet Rudolph. Do not look Rudolph in the eyes. Keep children close and no sudden movements. So we met Rudolph.
Once again, taking photographs and continue on down the stone.
As you can see, you don't want to get close to him.
Don't worry about it.
Rudolph does look a bit different in real life, doesn't he? And Rudolph's 13 apparently. He's so cool, man, isn't he? He's going to eat me.
On a very, very strict diet.
Wow, how cool is the floor here? Oh, check the ceiling. Oh my god. The walls as well. This is a proper wee disco in here. Some cool tunes in the background, just check the walls out. This wee dude just dancing himself, loving life. How'd you hate a wee guy? Cool, isn't he? A bit here called Xmas wrapping. We've got a dude here doing some rapping and stuff. As you can see, we're not going to stand and talk to him. He's loving life there. I wanted to just give you a better angle underneath the heads, and do you hear them singing again? They're awesome, man. We've got a a wee bit here where some of the pictures have just came to life, as you can see. We're not going to show you too much here because there's a few kids all kicking about. And then I think we're just heading into the main hall again. So just as you come out, there's a big thing here that does a next mission launch, which looks pretty cool. We're not going to be staying around for another half an hour, so we're not going to see it, unfortunately. Maybe that's a good thing for you, so we don't ruin it for you. Let us know in the comments what it was and if you've enjoyed it. We're just about to meet the raptor Morag. She's just coming out.
Apparently she eats Tunnocks tea cake.
Aye, Funnel's a Tunnocks tea cake. She doesn't eat people. Look at the height here. Morag was just playing with him there. Just ran straight at him.
They are wild animals.
Hello.
Yeah.
No, you can't. I have had to buy 3 hats for this school. No, stop. All right, no. I've done it. Honestly, it's like having a big dog. More teeth, more insurance, but big dog.
Crack me.
You're not on the naughty